Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can style your accessories the right way. I've seen so many guys wearing accessories the wrong way, not acknowledging the fact that there are some rules to accessories, to wearing accessories. Yes, there are some rules to wearing accessories, and that's what I'm going to tell you in today's video, and how to style your accessories like a pro. If you don't know anything about accessories or what accessories you should get, I've made a separate video on 10 accessories you can pair with almost any streetwear outfit and in general normal outfits too. So the video card is right here. You can watch that video right now, or it's also linked in the description below, so you can watch it after you're done with this video. Before starting the video, here's a shout out to Giridhari Manna, my old subscriber from my previous channel, who is also here with me on this new channel. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to win a shout out like this, comment down below whatever you feel about this video. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Number 1. Wear accessories according to your skin tone. I know I've said this in the previous video, but you don't know what exactly is that, like how to wear accessories according to your own skin tone. So here's it in a simplified version. There are 3 types of skin tones. The first one is a warm skin tone, the second is cool skin tone, and the third one is a kind of a neutral skin tone. If you're a person who has a warmer skin tone, so gold accessories or golden accessories look better on you. On the other hand, if you are a person who has a cooler skin tone, at that time silver or metallic colored accessories look better on you. And neutral ones are the lucky bastards who can wear both of them. So any accessory can work on that skin. So how do you know which kind of skin tone do you have? It's simple. There's this easy trick you can do. Just look at your veins. Look at your veins and just check which colored veins you have. If you have green colored veins, then it means you have a warmer skin tone. And if you can see bluish colored veins, then you have a cooler skin tone. Number 2, there are 2 types of accessories. The first one is essential accessories and the second one is non-essential accessories. Essential accessories consists of items like hats, sunglasses, socks, watches, beanies and fanny packs. Fanny packs are kind of in the middle. I'll tell you why in the later part of this video. And non-essential accessories are chains, rings, bracelets, pendants, etc. With that in mind, please do not over-accessorize, okay? There is a certain limit to how much you can accessorize. I've seen too many people who just over-accessorize everything. They just makes them look like a douchebag. I suggest you not to do that because you look flashy, tacky, and someone who just wants to show off. So don't do that. 3 is the right number. 3 accessories at a time. And no, I'm not talking about essential accessories and non-essential accessories together. No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking only about non-essential accessories, because essential accessories are something that are not just accessories, but they are kind of a tool. For example, sunglasses, they protect you from the sun, so they're not exactly just an accessory. Those are something that protects your eyes. Hats, on the other hand, it protects you from harmful sun rays and all that, so it's not exactly just an accessory to just show. So it's about non-essential accessories. You can do less but not more than 3. So for example, I can wear some essential accessories like a pair of sunglasses, a beanie and a watch. And with all of these accessories and my streetwear outfit, I can pair them up with just 3, max to max 3 other accessories, non-essential accessories like chain, bracelets, rings, or even fanny packs. But here's the thing about fanny packs. Fanny packs is kind of in the middle. It works sometimes really well and it sometimes just doesn't work. So it completely depends on your outfit and how it goes well with it. So just try it on, and if it looks good, great. And if it doesn't, just don't wear fanny pack for that particular outfit. Number 4, monotone accessorizing. That is, wear single toned accessories. Don't wear gold, silver and black accessories all together. It looks, well, too over the top. It looks weird. It doesn't look good. So again, for example, if you're gonna wear a silver singlet, so you can wear a silver watch with it. That goes well with each other. And here, if you're wondering why have I worn like black and a silver in here, so it's the thing because the singlet has a black thing in the middle. So it kind of matches with the black and the black, so it kind of goes well with each other. They complement each other. With the outfit, obviously, it's black too. So if you wear a silver singlet, you can wear a silver pendant or a steel watch. That's the way to go. Number 5 is wearing same accessories of the same type. So for example, if you want to wear more than 1 rings, so the best number, the sweet spot is 2. Don't go more than 2, because here's the thing. When you do it more, it kind of becomes more flashy. So always go for minimalism. I always prefer 1, but still, if you want to wear more than 1 rings or more than 1 chain, I'd suggest you go for max to max 2, not more than that. For bracelets too, you can wear 2 of them you can wear max to max 2 of them. It's fine, but not more than 2. So guys, that was it for today. If you like the video, give my video a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down and let me know why you did not like this video so that I can improve my future videos. Thanks to you. And if you want to win a shout out, comment anything in general about this video. What do you like about this video, or any future video ideas or suggestions? You can win a shout out in the next video. And also, if you want content like this, I am gonna keep posting content like every alternate days. That's what I'm doing. And we also completed our 100 subscribers like a few days back, so that's great. So please consider subscribing if you haven't. I would really appreciate that. And if you want to talk to me personally, my Instagram handle is @StreetStyleScape. I also have my Snapchat, so you can add me on Snapchat or Instagram, whatever you're comfortable with. Share this video with your friends and family. Stay safe, stay at home, stay stylish. StreetStyleScape out.